and it's a general critique I have on AWS and the cloud industry in general. Redis and other open source projects are basically sort of obscured, and specifically Redis, I can say for AWS, it's obscured in Elasticache. And it's not that if you use Elasticache as a catch, you can already see that it's a Redis server, but definitely for this exam, you need to say Elasticache, not Redis, for cases you normally would say, oh yeah, I would use a Redis instance for that. I think one place where this is actually more visible is with all the AI services being rolled out in the cloud right now. Um, it's way too often ends up just being another Jupyter notebook, and you opening Jupyter notebook is in the end very clearly not obscured, but it's hidden behind like the name Vertex or Bedrock or whatever you have on the cloud at this point. And that isn't necessarily a bad thing that you end up in Jupyter notebooks, because in the end that is standardization. That's something we all love. Like, it doesn't really matter what cloud you work. You can work with Jupyter notebooks, you can work on every cloud and work with AI. But let's credit it for what it is and say, okay, this is a Jupyter notebook instead of something highly specialized, which then it appears not to be. Not just AWS, Microsoft does this as well, Google Cloud does this as well. But for example, I